Welcome to a new era in blockchain technology where speed, security, and developer friendliness are at the forefront. Today, we're diving into Aptos Apt, a project that's quickly becoming one of the most talked about names in the crypto world. In this video, we'll break down what makes Aptos unique, how it's aiming to revolutionize Web3, and what its long-term price outlook could be. Whether you're a crypto enthusiast or just curious about the future of blockchain, this journey will give you a comprehensive look at why Aptos is generating so much buzz. Aptos is a Layer-1 blockchain developed by former Meta engineers, the same minds behind the Deem blockchain project. Their mission is to create a blockchain that's not only safe and scalable but also incredibly fast. Aptos is designed to handle hundreds of thousands of transactions per second, making it one of the most ambitious projects in the space. At its core, Aptos uses a programming language called Move, which is specifically built to enhance security and make smart contracts more efficient and reliable. This foundation sets Aptos apart from many other blockchains. One of the biggest challenges in blockchain technology has always been scalability. Popular networks like Ethereum often struggle with high gas fees and slow transaction speeds, especially during peak times. Aptos tackles these issues head-on by using parallel execution and a modular design. This means it can process multiple transactions at the same time, drastically improving performance and reducing costs for users. By addressing these core problems, Aptos is positioning itself as a solution for the next generation of decentralized applications. Aptos stands out with its impressive technical capabilities. The network can reportedly reach over 160,000 transactions per second, putting it in direct competition with other high-speed blockchains like Solana. This is made possible by its BlockSDM technology, which allows for parallel execution, and its Byzantine fault-tolerant consensus mechanism, which keeps the network secure. These innovations make Aptos one of the most advanced Layer-1 blockchains available today, attracting attention from developers and investors alike. Aptos' ecosystem is growing rapidly, with a wide range of DeFi protocols, NFT marketplaces, and gaming platforms joining the network. This expansion is further fueled by strategic partnerships with industry giants like Microsoft, Google Cloud, and Flowcarbon. These collaborations not only strengthen Aptos' position in the Web3 infrastructure space, but also signal strong confidence from major players. The increasing number of developers building on Aptos is a clear indicator of its long-term adoption potential. Apt token is the backbone of the Aptos ecosystem. It's used for staking, paying transaction fees, and participating in governance decisions. With a total supply of 1 billion tokens, allocations are set aside for community incentives, developers, and investors. As more decentralized applications launch on Aptos and user adoption grows, the demand for Apt is expected to increase significantly. This utility-driven approach is designed to ensure the long-term sustainability and growth of the network. Let's explore some long-term price projections for Apt based on adoption, utility, and broader market trends. By 2025, Apt could trade between $25 and $35, depending on how quickly the network grows and how the market evolves. Looking further ahead to 2027, with continued partnerships and ecosystem expansion, prices could reach $60 to $75. By 2030, if Aptos becomes a dominant Layer-1 blockchain with mass adoption, Apt could rise to $100, $150 or more, representing a strong 10x, 15x potential from current levels. Of course, these are speculative forecasts as the crypto market remains highly volatile. Aptos is not without its challenges. The project faces intense competition from other high-speed blockchains like Solana, Avalanche, and Sway, all vying for the top spot in the Layer-1 space. Another concern is the initial token distribution, which has drawn criticism from some investors due to its unlocked schedule. Despite these hurdles, Aptos' technical edge and growing developer community continue to give it strong long-term potential. Staying ahead in this competitive landscape will require constant innovation and community support. Recap: Aptos brings together next-generation blockchain architecture, a powerful developer ecosystem, and strong backing from major industry players. Its focus on scalability, security, and usability positions it as a serious contender in the Layer-1 blockchain race. If Aptos continues to innovate and attract real-world applications, it could easily become one of the top blockchains by the end of the decade. The future looks bright, but as always, staying informed and cautious is key in the fast-moving world of crypto. Looking forward, Aptos' journey is just beginning. The project's ability to maintain its technical edge, foster a vibrant developer community, and secure strategic partnerships will be crucial for its sustained growth. As the blockchain landscape evolves, Aptos' adaptability and commitment to innovation will determine its place among the leading Layer-1 blockchains. For investors and enthusiasts, keeping an eye on Aptos' progress could offer valuable insights into the future of decentralized technology. Aptos' roots trace back to the Deem project, originally developed by Meta, formerly Facebook. When Deem was discontinued, a group of its core engineers set out to build a new blockchain from the ground up, focusing on the lessons learned from their previous experience. This unique background gives Aptos a strong foundation in both technical expertise and vision, setting it apart from many other blockchain projects that lack such a pedigree. One of Aptos' standout features is its use of the Move programming language. Move was designed to make smart contracts more secure and efficient, reducing the risk of bugs and vulnerabilities that have plagued other blockchains. By leveraging Move, Aptos offers developers a powerful toolset for building robust decentralized applications, further enhancing its appeal to the growing Web3 community. Aptos's parallel execution capability is a game-changer for blockchain scalability. Unlike traditional blockchains that process transactions sequentially, Aptos can handle many transactions at once. This approach not only increases throughput but also reduces congestion and transaction fees. For users and developers, this means a smoother, faster experience, even during periods of high network activity. Security is a top priority for Aptos, and its use of Byzantine fault-tolerant consensus ensures the network remains robust against attacks and failures. This consensus mechanism allows the blockchain to continue operating smoothly even if some nodes act maliciously or go offline. It's a critical component that underpins the reliability and trustworthiness of the Aptos network. LockSDM is another technological innovation that sets Aptos apart. This technology enables the blockchain to execute transactions in parallel, further boosting its speed and efficiency. By optimizing how transactions are processed, LockSDM helps Aptos achieve its impressive throughput and positions it as a leader in blockchain performance. Aptos is built with developers in mind. Its modular architecture and support for the Move language make it easy for developers to build, test, and deploy decentralized applications. This focus on developer experience has led to a rapidly growing community and a steady stream of new projects joining the Aptos ecosystem. The Aptos ecosystem is expanding at an impressive pace. From DeFi protocols to NFT marketplaces and gaming platforms, a diverse range of projects are choosing Aptos as their foundation. This diversity not only strengthens the network but also attracts a wider audience, fueling further growth and innovation. Partnerships with major companies like Microsoft, Google Cloud, and Flowcarbon have given Aptos a significant boost. These collaborations provide access to advanced infrastructure and resources, helping Aptos scale and innovate more effectively. Such partnerships also enhance the project's credibility and attract further investment and interest. Aptos's developer community is one of its greatest strengths. With a focus on open-source development and collaboration, the community is constantly building new tools, applications, and resources. This vibrant ecosystem not only drives innovation but also ensures that Aptos remains at the cutting edge of blockchain technology. Tokenomics of Aptos are designed to support long-term growth and sustainability. With a total supply of 1 billion app tokens, allocations are carefully distributed among community incentives, developers, and investors. This balanced approach helps align the interests of all stakeholders and supports the ongoing development of the network. App tokens play a crucial role in network governance and security. By staking their tokens, users can participate in decision-making processes and help secure the network. This decentralized approach ensures that the community has a say in the future direction of Aptos, fostering a sense of ownership and engagement. App tokens are also used to pay transaction fees on the network. This utility ensures that the token remains in constant demand as more users and applications join the ecosystem. Efficient fee structures help keep the network accessible and attractive to both developers and end users. Aptos has set aside a portion of its token supply for community incentives. These rewards are designed to encourage participation, foster engagement, and support the growth of the ecosystem. By incentivizing users and developers, Aptos ensures a vibrant and active community that drives the project forward. A significant portion of app tokens is allocated to developers. This ensures that those building on the network are rewarded for their contributions, encouraging continuous innovation and improvement. Developer incentives are a key factor in attracting top talent and maintaining the network's competitive edge. Investors play a vital role in the Aptos ecosystem. By allocating tokens to early backers, Aptos secures the funding needed for ongoing development and expansion. This support helps ensure the project's long-term viability and success in a competitive market. As more decentralized applications launch on Aptos and user adoption grows, the demand for app tokens is expected to rise. This increased demand can drive up the token's value, benefiting both early adopters and the broader community. Adoption is a key metric to watch for anyone interested in the long-term prospects of Aptos. Looking ahead to 2025, analysts predict that app could trade between $25 and $35. This projection is based on current adoption trends, network growth, and the overall market environment. While these numbers are speculative, they reflect the optimism surrounding Aptos' potential to capture a significant share of the Layer-1 blockchain market. By 2027, with continued ecosystem expansion and strategic partnerships, app could reach prices between $60 and $75. This growth would be driven by increased utility, broader adoption, and the successful execution of Aptos' roadmap. As the network matures, its value proposition becomes even more compelling to investors and users alike. Aptos achieves mass adoption and becomes a dominant Layer-1 blockchain by 2030, analysts believe app could rise to $100, $150 or more. This would represent a 10x, 15x increase from current levels, highlighting the significant upside potential for long-term investors. However, it's important to remember that these forecasts are speculative and subject to market volatility. While price predictions for APT are exciting, it's crucial to approach them with caution. The cryptocurrency market is highly volatile, and many factors can influence prices, including regulatory changes, technological advancements, and broader economic trends. Staying informed and managing risk is essential for anyone considering an investment in Aptos. Aptos operates in a highly competitive environment, facing rivals like Solana, Avalanche, and Sway. Each of these projects brings its own strengths and innovations to the table, making the race for Layer-1 dominance intense. Aptos' ability to differentiate itself through technology and community engagement will be key to its long-term success. One area of concern for some investors is the initial token distribution and unlock schedule. Critics argue that a large portion of tokens being released early could lead to price volatility and centralization. Aptos has responded by emphasizing transparency and long-term alignment, but this remains a point to watch as the project evolves. Despite challenges, Aptos' technical edge sets it apart. Its combination of high throughput, security, and developer-friendly tools makes it a strong contender in the blockchain space. Continuous innovation and a focus on performance will be essential for maintaining this advantage over time. Aptos' community is a driving force behind its growth. Active participation from developers, users, and partners helps ensure the network remains vibrant and innovative. Community-driven projects and initiatives are key to building long-term value and resilience. Aptos' success will ultimately depend on its ability to attract real-world applications. From finance to gaming and beyond, the versatility of the platform opens up countless possibilities. As more projects choose Aptos, its value proposition becomes even stronger, driving further adoption and growth. Aptos is positioning itself as a core part of the Web3 infrastructure. Its focus on scalability, security, and developer experience makes it an attractive choice for building the decentralized internet of the future. As Web3 continues to evolve, Aptos' role could become increasingly significant. NFT marketplaces and gaming platforms are rapidly joining the Aptos ecosystem. These sectors are among the fastest growing in the blockchain space, and Aptos' high throughput and low fees make it an ideal platform for such applications. This growth further diversifies the network and attracts new users. Decentralized finance, or DeFi, is a major focus for Aptos. The network's speed and security make it a strong foundation for DeFi protocols, which require reliable and efficient infrastructure. As more DeFi projects launch on Aptos, the ecosystem's value and utility continue to grow. Aptos' partnerships with major corporations signal growing institutional interest in the project. This backing provides access to resources and expertise that can accelerate development and adoption. Institutional support is often a key indicator of a project's long-term potential in the blockchain space. Aptos places a strong emphasis on user experience. From fast transaction speeds to intuitive interfaces, the network is designed to be accessible and efficient for both developers and end users. This focus on usability is crucial for driving mainstream adoption and ensuring long-term success. Security is at the heart of Aptos' design. From its consensus mechanism to its programming language, every aspect of the network is built to minimize risks and protect users. Ongoing audits and community vigilance further enhance the network's security posture. Aptos' commitment to continuous innovation is a key driver of its success. The team is constantly exploring new technologies and approaches to improve scalability, security, and usability. This forward-thinking mindset ensures that Aptos remains relevant and competitive in the rapidly evolving blockchain landscape. The cryptocurrency market is known for its volatility, and Aptos is no exception. Prices can fluctuate rapidly based on news, sentiment, and broader economic factors. For investors, understanding and managing this volatility is essential for long-term success in the space. Staying up to date with the latest developments in Aptos and the broader blockchain industry is crucial. Following project updates, community discussions, and industry news can help you make informed decisions and stay ahead of the curve in this fast-moving space. Summary: Aptos is a promising Layer-1 blockchain with the potential to reshape the future of decentralized technology. Its technical innovations, strong community, and strategic partnerships position it as a serious contender in the space. As the project continues to evolve, its impact on the blockchain industry could be profound. Stay tuned as Aptos' journey unfolds and the next chapter in blockchain innovation is written.